Hello everyone, my name is Dwarkesh and I am a fellow member of a group called SciTouch. So what do people think about SciTouch? It's nothing complex, just science touch. So how do you guys think we touched science? Let me enlighten you guys by saying a code in my mother tongue. கற்றதை அறிந்து அறிவியலை தொழு, which means learning, observing and applying together can touch science. Are you guys interested in how we touch science? Let me show you. Hello again. So let's meet my teammates. This is Bharat Karthik. So Bharat, can you tell the viewers about what type of jet engine is this?
Oh, this is basically a high bypass CAN type jet engine.
Can you brief us about it?
Viewers, if you really want a brief about this, please do like our playlist.
Alright, nice one dude. Okay, moving on. Let's meet my next teammate, Navi. So we have Naveen here.
Hi.
Alright Naveen, can you give your insights about how this jet engine works?
Actually, jet engine contains mostly three parts. First one is this compressor, and second one is this combustion chamber, and third one is here. There is a turbine. Here. This three is the heart of our jet engine. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, thank you Naveen. So we are looking forward to further testing of our model, and our goals and motivations will be explained by Yogaraj.
Hi, we made this entire jet engine. We made each and every part of it. Soon we are going to upload a lot of videos about it, which contains what is compressor, combustion and everything, and why did we prefer specific this type of machine and what are the types of it, and we are going to conduct a lot of tests on it. So just stay tuned, you will get a lot of scientific exploring videos. And if you want to work practically, just come, because this SciTouch is not only a YouTube channel, it's an academy, and soon it's going to be under an organization called Science Group Engineers, and we are trying to take this as the next level as a crowdfunder project, because many people can work with this. We personally thank Lat System Private Limited. They gave us a lot of space and work. Thank you. If you want to say something or have any question, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.